Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put sin x over cosine x and 1 over cosine x squared. So we have the formula in here. Sin x over cosine x, that is about tan x. 1 over cosine x equals to secant of x. Next, this one we change by tan x. This one we change by secant of x squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan x squared. Now, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to 2 tan x secant of x squared dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one with dx, we change by the u over number 2. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about tan x squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.